Hi all, it's Crowd Bitch here, after a few years of not making any videos. Here we have a UVI Racing Seat Pro. So, I haven't assembled it yet, obviously, but I looked around on the internet a lot and haven't found any videos before buying it. So, decided to make one that. Well, this is basically what's inside, so you got, I don't know what. So this is the side panel that holds the seat up. Obviously it should go either on the left or the right. You obviously have two of those. You got some, obviously your screws and the what's it, the driver there. You got cable management, there's some zip ties. You got some rubber feet, and obviously the frame. This would be your steering wheel holder there. This is what you'd mount it on. This is obviously the base. No, wait, for the base for the pedals. It does allow for some adjustments, like up the angle and such. This is your steering wheel holder. This goes pretty much something like this, like up here. We'll see after it's built. This is a seat. I have to say, it's pretty big, and it's absolutely. It's so soft. You can't know what I mean unless you sit on it. And this is obviously your the thing you have under your seat to adjust the. Yes. Anyways, I'll get to building it and I'll report back in a few. Forgot to mention, but I also bought this shifter mount, which is rather simple and should mount somewhere like this, so on this side or the other. I know you can unscrew this and flip around if you want it on the other side. You also get some zip ties, some screws, and the wrench. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, back to building then. So after putting the whole thing together, I have to say, it's pretty decent. I have to shine some more light onto it so you can actually see things, but quality of the whole thing is goddamn nice. Everything's pretty much adjustable. The shifter I felt like is a bit wonky, but it's not really. It just, I think it might just benefit from a tiny bit of rubber in between, but we'll see, because it does make a tiny bit of sound. The seat, the material, well, the cloth, it feels horrible. However, I think it'll provide a lot of grip. Grip. This looks like Alcantara. What's it? Alcantara? But like a really cheap one. I'm not entirely sure. It's just, it feels pretty. I don't know. However, it is really comfortable to sit in. It is extremely light. And in my case, I had a little bit of issues screwing this one in, because it felt like it was a little bit bent, but it just straightened out after I screwed it in all the way. That's pretty much it. Now it's just time for me to mount the steering wheel, the pedals, and the shifter, and we should be good. But I did notice there's no screws whatsoever, so I don't think I can utilize these holes. I'll have to see if I have any. Anyways, back in a bit. Right, that is pretty much built. Everything on it. Besides, I haven't mounted these ones yet. I need some. I'll figure something out. But other than that, I do have to say it looks pretty good. I am excited to try that, which I shall do in a few minutes. I might post more updates on this. I don't think I will, but maybe we'll see. However, this is what this is replacing, my old little DIY build with the handbrake, and this was for the shifter. Yeah, this is pretty horrible. So one thing that I want to see if this fixes is the worst thing that happened on this one, and that was, I mean, the biggest disadvantage, was the fact that my ass was getting hot all the time, and I really hope this seat is better than that. So we'll see. Well, thank you all for watching. Hope I helped. If you got any questions, do ask. I'll see you around then. Bye.